Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. And I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be really freaking cool and shit. I'm feeling a little frisky. Why? Because I've got another Temu haul. I love Temu. It's addictive. My husband is now addicted to Temu. He didn't even use my code. I didn't even get the referral for it. But he jumped on the Temu train, and it's a hard train to get off. Once you start, you just always find stuff. Like I already have a new order in today where it's got clothes for me. And, you know, I was like, wow, they have clothes my size? That's fantastic. That's really groovy. So, yeah, so use my code down below and it gives me a little boost. It gives me a little cha-ching, and it gets you a discount, especially if you've never done Temu before. If you don't know what Temu is, it's a website that has almost literally everything that you can think of for like the best prices, and it's good quality, which is amazing. And it's quick shipping, because sometimes like with Wish or other, you know, cheap websites where you can get things, you know, for good prices, it takes like a month or longer to get your stuff. You get Temu in like 7 to 10 days, sometimes shorter, which is a great turnaround. Sometimes you can't even get, you know, regular stuff shipped to you 7 to 10 days. So here it is, my Temu order. And this contains a birthday present for a friend of mine. Hopefully she doesn't usually watch my videos, which is kind of, you know, bittersweet. But hopefully she's not watching this one, because it's got presents for her. So what do I have first? First I have a kitchen scrubby brush. And that is really nice. It is really nice firm brush, and it's got this, which is good for the edge of inside bottles and cups. And that is great. Super duper. That's really cool. It was like $1.88 at the most. Next up, I have for my husband some blind spot mirrors. My friend Bernia got me blind spot mirrors for my car, and I love them. And it makes it easier to see people in your blind spot. We drive Kia Souls, and there's a lot of blind spots. There's a big blind spot for our cars. So that's cool. That was less than $2. And then I got an apron. Looks like. I don't remember why I got an apron. It's super cool. It's got a beautiful design on it. I think I got it for Bernia for her birthday, but she's already got an apron. So we'll use it here. And it's got nice straps, so it won't slip. It's very cool. A very cool apron. I'm making a mess. I can't fold it. I also can't draw at 55. Alright, so we've got that there. Next we have... Oh, this is missing something. This is part of it. This is the other part of it, I think. And it's to help clean my windows in my car. And let's see if I can get it together. I don't think I'm gonna have to get my husband to put it together, because not great at that. But this is supposed to fit on here. If I stretch it real, oh yeah, it does fit. So what this does is it'll wipe your mirrors. I mean, not your, it can work on mirrors too, but you put it and you wipe your windows with this. So that's cool. Oh, this is exciting. This is for me. These are some silver hoops that I can just put through my little gauges, and they'd be little cute silver hoops. Ooh, a little brown box. What's in this box? I will find out. Oh, this, I think, a Q-tip dispenser. Because I've got a lot of Q-tips, and I like to have Q-tips in here for me to use to touch up my makeup and clean up makeup messes. And this is just a really nice little Q-tip holder that won't take up very much room. And I just fill it full of Q-tips and they just self-feed out. And that was just a couple bucks. I got some cat collars for my cat Louie. And they've got the breakaway clips and little bells. And the cats love the bells, but they'd make me crazy. So we will take those off before we put that on him. And then, oh, there's this is a pair of pants for my friend for her birthday. And they are some cool little black pants. I think that'll fit her really well. And they were like 10 bucks. And then I have one more thing, and this is amazing. This is a mini sealing device. So you put a couple batteries in here, and you know, sometimes when the Ziploc doesn't work on your grocery packages and your vegetables and different things, well, you put a couple batteries in, and this heats up, and you seal it. You can seal the, there's directions, but you put this across the edge and it'll seal your packages for you. So if you want to, you know, retain some freshness, this is great. It's a mini sealer and it'll work with the plastic that you already have. So that is it. We got quite a bit of stuff. This was probably 30. Oh wait, there's one more thing. It's a pin. I almost lost that. No more. No more. And what does this pin say? It's a little juice box, and it says, "The tears of my enemies." And I got that for her birthday also. So, really good Temu haul today. I'm excited about it. The cats are getting ready to play with the plastic bags because that brings them joy. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll be here real soon. 3 times a week usually. If not, then I'll make up for it. Bye.